cuties, it's that Jess here, and I'm actually doing a sit down YouTube video today, which hasn't been done in quite a while. I say that I'm stood up. I haven't filmed a sit down YouTube video in so long, and even then I have filmed some, you just haven't seen them because I've not edited them. Yay! But there's two reasons I wanted to film a YouTube video like this today. One is because I have something super exciting to unbox, and I bought it yesterday and I literally cannot wait any longer, so we're having to film it today. And two is because I actually got a new camera, hence the mic. I now have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is what everyone has. I normally film on the Canon G7X Mark II, which is a fab camera. I love it, and I think all my footage from like all my vlogs and everything looks really good, but there's no way to like do external audio, at least not that I've found, with that camera. So I find for vlogs and even just normal videos where there's like house sounds going on, it's not got the best audio, and you wanna have a good quality audio video to sit down and listen to. So I decided to invest in this camera, hence the mic, hence it looks different. I don't know how to use it. I've watched so many TikToks and YouTube videos, I've read so many posts, and I'm just stuck, and I'm someone that needs to know everything before I try something. So I thought, if I'm filming at home in my room with this camera for the first time, at least I can have a proper play around with it. I think the last time I saw you guys was actually the Stray Kids concert vlog back in July. I want to say it's the last one. I've got Blackpink still to come, I've got my Disneyland trip still to come, all those vlogs are still to come. But I haven't actually filmed a video since Blackpink in August, I think. So a lot has changed since then. One being, I have started my shop. I'd started it last year, but it wasn't until August I actually done the online shop, and since then I've done quite a few events. There's an exciting announcement coming this week, so lots is happening with that, so a lot of my time is dedicated to that. And the other big thing is, last year I started a new health journey. I went private. That ended up not going well, I had to do a complaint, blah blah blah. But it all led me to this amazing consultant who I'm now seeing on the NHS at Addenbrooke's Hospital, and I have actually from January this year officially been diagnosed with an autoimmune condition. I have inflammatory arthritis, and we've just started the treatment. I'm kind of on pre-treatment right now. I'm kind of on the medication I have to be in order to start the next phase, which is the actual treatment. So we're doing that at the minute, and it's that. This year, I have fallen back in love with Pokemon, specifically Pokemon TCG, collecting cards, etc. For personal reasons, I had really bad feelings towards it, and I just couldn't fall back in love with it. But this year, that seems to have changed, and I'm right back into where I used to be several years ago, loving Pokemon, which is really good. And I really want to get back into collecting Pokemon cards, but I really want to do it properly this time. As a K-pop collector, I collect pretty much like everything from my biases, whereas with Pokemon, I really want to collect what I love, and I will do themed pages. I just want to have a great time with it. The thing is, I have awful Pokemon card luck. And I know people say that and they're like, oh yeah, well you might get... No, never had a good card in my life. I bought an ETB, it must have been Sword and Shield. Or it was Scarlet and Violet. Could have been Scarlet and Violet, actually. And you're like guaranteed like something decent in there. I got nothing. I think I got one EX. Just one standard EX, and that was it. I got nothing. So when I say my Pokemon card luck is bad, I mean it. In the past few days, I think I've had 6 packs of Pokemon cards. Nothing good. Actually, I got an EX, which by my standards is good. But I got nothing good. So now we go on to the fact... This is what I shall be unboxing today. This is the Chinese cards, and this is the Gem 2 one. Now the reason I am okay with buying this is because all these cards are evolutions, and I'm an evolution girl. Love Eevee, love the evolutions. Sylveon is my girly. Got one of my many, I say many, I've got 2 Sylveon tattoos, but there's one of them. She's my girly, and I just thought I'm going to love all the artwork in here. We might as well grab a pack, and at least I know I'm going to be happy with the Pokemon in here. It doesn't matter what cards I get, it doesn't matter how rare they are, how special they are, at least I know I love the artwork. I'm pretty sure you are guaranteed a 3-star in here. could be wrong. I'm not going to check my sources though, I'm sorry. You get 15 packs in here. Each pack has 4 cards. 60 cards in total. Thank you, maths degree. I actually got this from Nostalgia TCG, which is based in Chelmsford in Essex. And if you don't know, I am based in Essex as well, so I was really happy to be able to go to a local card shop. I got this. I got a pack that had 3 cards in. See, I don't know terminology. I got nothing good in there, but I wanted the Sylveon card. And then I picked some cards out. I got my brother a Corviknight, which he absolutely loved, so I'm really pleased with that. I got this gorgeous Mew. Let me find you the Mew. So pretty. Do you know what? I'm just going to pull from the front. Right, we're going into this. No expectations, just cute EVs. Cute EVs and cute evolutions. So we have got, oh my god, the screen is so small I can't see. We got a Glaceon. Cute. It's like the element one. It's my girly Sylveon. We got the Pokeball one. I love the artwork. My girly Sylveon again. I low-key feel like this is the artwork I picked up yesterday in that pack. So, like, I could just not bought that pack, but whatever. Is it like, oh, it's like the special effect holo. Last one. Oh. Oh. We got a stamped, I don't know what ball that is. I'm so sorry, I don't know what ball that is. I feel like that is our chances of the chase gone with this one. It's fine, see? It's fine. No expectations. It's fine. We have got Espeon, that is our element one. We have got Leafeon, Flareon, and that's the special holo. And then Sylveon. Oh, we got stamped Sylveon. I'm happy. Oh, I love my girly so much. I did really want the stamped Sylveon, so I'm really pleased with that. We got Vaporeon. I don't know if we've had one yet, but I love Vaporeon, and I think that artwork is stunning. Oh my god. Flareon. We got a Pokeball Flareon. Is that Glaceon again? Oh, it's like a star holo. That's so pretty. Artwork is so nice. And we got an Eevee. Is this our first Eevee? It might be. We got the Master Ball Eevee. Again, the artwork is so lovely. I'm someone that really doesn't mind what language a card is in. I just look at the artwork, which makes collecting a lot cheaper. Leafeon. Is this our first Leafeon? I don't think we've had Jolteon yet. Oh, I'm not keeping track. We have got a Pokeball Glaceon. We have got a special holo Vaporeon. Oh, and we got a Jolteon V card. Very nice. See, this is exciting for me because this type of stuff doesn't happen normally. So this is a very nice card. I'm liking that a lot. Sylveon again. We got a Vaporeon. Oh, I love the Vaporeon in the grass. It's a really nice piece of artwork. Jolteon. We got the like star holo one. I really love this effect. I think it makes the artwork just look better. I think it really highlights it well. Last one. We have got a Master Ball Vaporeon. And this artwork might actually be my favourite from the set. I just think it's a really nice style. I think they've done it really, really nicely. First up, we have got an Eevee. We have got an Espeon, and this is the Pokeball one. Absolutely love the colours. It makes me want to do like a flower one, although this would work really well in my spring page as well. We have got an Umbreon. Oh, I don't know if we've had an Umbreon yet. And this is the like star holo one, which I think suits Umbreon the best, truthfully. Lastly, we have got a Flareon. I've just taken the time to like sort piles up on my windowsill of all the I didn't say photo cards. Christ, go get out the K-pop mindset of all the Pokemon cards, and we have got every evolution now. We have only got one Umbreon. But everyone else we're doing pretty good with. Sylveon and Vaporeon I've got the most of so far. And they're my two favourites. We have got a Sylveon. I love this artwork as well. He just looks really, really sweet. Again, love the flower elements. I think that's such a nice touch. We have got an Eevee. Really, really nice. This will work well for like an autumnal page. We have got a Jolteon. I don't think we've had this artwork yet. Oh, what a happy electric baby. And this is like the special effect holo that like turns. Last one. We have got an Umbreon, Espeon. Pack check. We are on 7 cards left. So we've just gone past the halfway point. Is there something good in here? Would you like to just give it some magic, please? Give it some magic. Thank you. I really enjoyed visiting Nostalgia TCG yesterday. I was actually visiting my sister in another part of Essex. And on the way back I was like, wait, I can stop off and quickly have a look in the shop and spend more money than I realised I was going to. It was lovely though. And the atmosphere was really, really sweet. And oh no, it was just so nice. I'm already trying to figure out when I can go back again. So we have got a Flareon, Element Flareon. We have got a Vaporeon. This is the Pokeball Vaporeon. We have got Sylveon, and this is like the special effect rounded holo. I love her so much. I'm honestly not even mad. Oh, and we have got a Espeon V card. Very nice. I love the effects on that. It's honestly so nicely done. I love how the background is nature as well. Really, really cute. My girl Sylveon is back. I think we have that one already. We have got a Pokeball Eevee, a Glitter Holo Espeon, and a Master Ball Jolteon. Ooh! So we have got a Umbreon. That is the element one. We have got a Pokeball Vaporeon. We have got a special holo Espeon. And we have got a stamped Leafeon. Oh, how cute. I already said how much I love this artwork, so I'm very pleased to have a stamped version. Let me know if you guys are liking this. I don't really know where my content's going. I had planned to do like weekly vlogs. Like, I feel like with my health and stuff, it's important to show what it's like living with bad health, and I've lived with bad health for half my life now, so I'm quite well versed in it. But ironically, living with bad health has stopped me from being able to film. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best and see if it's something I can now start doing. I'm hoping this camera, with it being lighter, it just feels like it's a little bit more accessible to film on. You can just start filming pretty much straight away. The microphone hopefully means I don't have to be too worried about what the environment's like, so hopefully YouTube will be something I get back into. So we have got Element Eevee. We have got a Pokeball Flareon. What a little cutie. We have got a Special Star Holo Glaceon. That's the one. Nearly said Vaporeon then. Oh, I love it. I love all the flower artwork. That seems to be a running theme. The flower and the nature. Very nice. Oh, okay. So then we got the Master Ball version of this holo. We have got a Jolteon. We have got a Pokeball Leafeon. We have got a special, is this like, this isn't reverse holo, I don't know. I think this is special for the like Chinese cards. And we have got an Energy, which unfortunately I think means that we are not getting one of those really pretty art cards. I don't understand the logic behind this. Truthfully, guys, I don't understand the logic. I'm going to have to save up for another box. Oh, you know what I said about my luck? Sometimes it just doesn't align. I did. This is where my luck sometimes comes in with K-pop. And I got my first Stray Kids album, and I managed to get, I think, like most of the pulls I had were Felix, and Felix is my bias, so, you know, I probably used my luck up there. I didn't win the lottery the other week, so it wasn't on that, unfortunately. We have got an Element Flareon. We have got a Pokeball Umbreon. We have got my girly Sylveon with the Star Hollow, which is my favourite, I think, out of all of them. Oh! Oops. And we have got a Vaporeon. I really was hoping for either Vaporeon or Sylveon, as they are my faves. So I'm really happy to have this one. Really cute. So we have got an Element Vaporeon. We have got a Pokeball Sylveon. We have got a Star Hollow Eevee. And last one. Oh, we've got a VMAX. Oh. You're going to have to just give me a minute because I'm not used to seeing really pretty cards like this out of my own packs. So this is the Espeon VMAX. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the colours. I feel like Espeon's design really works well with this. So cute. Final pack, guys. Final pack. So the final cards, we have got an Umbreon. We have got a Pokeball Jolteon. We have got a special Holo Glaceon. Now, are we going to get for our last card one of the chases, or are we going to get another stamped maybe? We got a Master Ball Leafeon. I feel like I just want to talk to whoever decided this was a free star. Like, I just want to have a very pleasant chat about whoever decided that this energy right here should be a free star. Just a nice civil chat, please. So that was our Gem 2 unboxing. I'm a little gutted. I don't know why. I don't know why I expected any different. However, I did get the stamped Sylveon card. And considering we only got 2 Pokemon actual stamp card and one, like the other one was like a ball. I'm really glad that one of them was my girly Sylveon. I'm low-key tempted to buy another box, save up and get another box because I love this series so much. And I think it'd be really nice to try and collect most of it. Not all the chases, but at least most of the Vs or the VMAXs maybe. I think it would be a really, really fun project to do. These cards are just so pretty. I mean, the artwork is just stunning, and I think the effects that they choose and everything are just really complimentary, and I just think it's lovely. I'd love to know if you like this type of video. I've never done something like this before, and hey, with my newfound love, or my rekindled love for Pokemon TCG, it might be something I can do more. We'll see if I end up buying another box of these. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you whenever I next film again. Bye! Oh wait, that's not my send-off. Goodbye, guys. Eek! Still got it.